Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Pearl. Today is another vlog and yung gagawin namin today is pupunta kami para mag-submit na requirements namin for passport. Actually, this is long overdue. Wala naman kaming urgent na out of the country pero matagal na kasi naman siya pinasses. Nag-take kami ng picture about months ago na kasi nung Canadian citizen ako, after nung nag-take kami agad ng picture and that was May. But as long as wala pang 6 months, yung picture is valid pa siya. Ako lang at si Amaris yung kukuha ng Canadian passport today kasi si Rigel matagal na siyang may passport. And yeah, finally now ipaprocess na namin. So yun yung gagawin namin today. And after maybe mag-grocery shopping kami and also it's Black Friday today. So maybe pupunta kami ng mall and titingin ng mga sale.
Hi guys. Today I am going to get my passport and in it there and just have some food and have some fun with mom and dad and stay sweet. Bye.
Stay sweet. Bye. Sobrang busy guys kasi nga Black Friday. Sobrang daming sasakyan. So yan, nandito na kami guys. There's Amaris and there's Daddy, dala yung requirements. So we're back in the car guys and hindi ko na-submit yung application kasi may kulang siya. Yung picture pala is need permahan ng guarantor. So walang perma. So we need to do that. And there are some missing information din doon sa application, which is okay naman siya na i-fill up doon, but yung picture nga walang perma and importante yung perma, which is hindi namin yon napansin na need pala permahan ng guarantor. So yun yung gagawin namin later this afternoon. Babalik kami doon sa bahay ng guarantor namin. Dapat hindi siya family member or relative, so it's workmate and kakilala ni Rigel yun. So pupuntahan namin sa bahay nila mamaya. Before that, punta muna kami ng mall kasi nga titingin kasi Black Friday ngayon. So we're here at London Drugs kasi may binili si Daddy. There's Amaris. Bumili si Rigel nung pang cricut niya and Black Friday maraming sale. Mayroon na siyang nakuha. Can you show me what you got? What's that? A coloring book? Mario? Watercolor?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're here in the mall. Ang daming tao pero nakapark kami. Doon sana sa kids na parking, yun sa family parking, pero yung katabi is hindi nagpark ng maayos. So hindi kami makapasok. Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
So we're here in Sport Check. Yan si Daddy.
You'll pay. Can I have my phone?
Magre-rent kami nito guys kasi nagpapakarga. Pagod na siya. Yeah. Ito guys, nandito kami sa American Eagle. Naghahanap ako nitong ganito. Meron sa Skims pero sobrang mahal. So meron sila dito. Yan. naghahanap kami ng sapatos. May bibigyan kasi kami. Kaso yung mga feel namin na gusto niya is walang size. Malalaki na lang yung size yung natira. So nabili ko nga pala sa American Eagle kanina yung gusto ko. And now we're still looking for shoes. And down? So, bumibili kami ng Carhartt kasi may bibigyan kami. Sana gusto niya. Yan. Mari's gonna buy bath bomb. Okay, give mommy's phone. Maris, you get a basket. You get a basket, it's here. Thank you. Okay. That one? Okay. Careful. Okay. That one is so cute.
I want to use the baby.
That's so cute. You got 3. Okay, you can get maybe 5 or 6. That one. How about this one?
But it doesn't have a face.
Ah, you want the one that has a face? Okay. Can I see all your choices? Okay, they're so cute. Okay, we go pay now? Okay. And si Daddy, lilipat siya ng provider to Kodo yata. Tapos na kaming bumili ng bath bomb ni Amaris. Amaris is having ice cream that's so big. Oh my goodness. You think you can finish that? Are you sure? It's too big. It will melt. Daddy, ngano kanima namong gipalit? It's so big.
Don't break it, okay? New.
Okay. That's cute. Which one you like? You choose? Can you choose? Can you choose one ornament? So I'm letting Amaris pick an ornament para ibigay ko sa niya every year. So this year we're starting a tradition for ornaments. You want the unicorn one? Are you sure? The one that you like earlier is this one. This time you want the unicorn one? That's sure?
No, that's not you, Daddy.
We can put Daddy, Mommy, Amaris. You don't like this?
You like it because you're all born.
Ito yung final na choice for palalagyan natin ng name. So we're just gonna eat. Right, Amaris? Oh, may donut na pala si Amaris, guys. Pero gusto niya ng chicken. So bumibili pa si Daddy ng chicken. Nasa sasakyan na kami. Actually, hindi pa kami tapos na mamili doon. But meron kaming ipipick up dito sa Toys R Us na online order ng sister-in-law ko. So, pipick up muna namin yan and pupunta kami doon sa sinabi ko kanina nga kakilala namin para magpa-perma doon sa picture namin for the passport. So, after dito sa Toys R Us, pupunta kami doon para magpa-perma and then babalik ulit kami dito sa mall kasi nga hindi pa kami tapos, may bibilhin pa kami. So yan na yung mga pinick up namin. 4 na malalaking toys or kids toys or stuff yung pinamili ng sister-in-law ko Paregalo yata niya sa mga kakilala niya. Pat-apat yan. Iniwan na namin si Amaris kasi napagod na. Nandun na. Nagpipaint yung binili niya kanina na Mario na paint. So, pabalik na kami now. Una muna kami sa Canadian Tire kasi may bibilhin kami. Kumuha na din ako ng jacket kasi maginaw na. It's already 5 p.m. And super busy na naman ng daan. Kasi nag-uwi na yung iba galing work, diba? And ngayon nagsha-shopping na yung iba para Black Friday. So I'll be using my phone to continue the vlog kasi yung DJI ko na dead na. Ito yung disadvantage niya, guys, kasi ang bilis niyang malobat. So kailangan mo magdala ng tawag dyan, power bank kasi madali siyang malobat and hindi ka naman makakabili ng parang extra battery kasi parang built-in ang battery niya, built-in yung battery niya. So, I will just continue the vlog using my phone and maybe clips na lang yung kukunin ko kasi yun nga, dead na siya, guys. Ito yung gamit ko nga pang daily vlog, yung DJI Osmo Pocket 2. But so, eto yung pinagpipilian namin pang gift kasi yung gustong maka-receive, gusto niya ng set of utensils. So, yan. Isa na lang din. Maganda yung black, no? Yan, oh. Yung gold. Gusto ni Regil bigyan ng gold. Kaso, sabi nung pagbibigyan namin is baka maano siya kasi yayamanin. Ito yung bibili namin, guys, yung Paderno na brand. Yan siya, 20 pieces. Alam ni klaro si Regil, uy. So yan, ito yung set na pipiliin namin. So yan. Rogers.com/careers